Hi everyone, this is Selina. Welcome back to my channel and thanks for watching this video. If you're new to my channel, my name's Selina and I make crochet videos that I release every week. So today I want to bring to you this gorgeous fluffy scarf that I made over the Christmas break. And it's absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, it was exactly what I needed. I really wanted something soft and fluffy to just snuggle in for the rest of winter. So to make this, I used Caron Latte Cakes, and this is shade Plum Fresh. However, they have lots of different shades, and I just adore this shade. I've already made a shawl with this shade, so I'll link that in the description box and I'll link it at the end of this video. Yes, it's the princess shawl that I made with this exact yarn. So to make this absolutely lovely scarf, it's really simple. It's the simplest, quickest project ever. You will be needing a skein of latte cake, a 6.5mm crochet hook, a tapestry needle and a pair of scissors. And that's it. So without further ado, I'll just jump right into this video. So I will be using US terms, and as always, the free pattern is available on my blog at selinaveronique.com, and I'll link that in the description box too. Don't forget to like this video if you liked it, and comment if you have any questions or anything you'd like to say to me. I respond to every single comment that I have on YouTube and Instagram. And don't forget to subscribe. So yes, so for this video I will be using this plain yarn. So to begin your scarf, you will be making a slip knot. So just go ahead and make a slip knot. Pop your hook through that slip knot, and we will be chaining 24. So just go ahead and chain 24. So 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to make a smaller sample, but you will have a 24 chain. Mine is smaller, but the principle is the exact same. So once you've got your 24 chain, you will be making a half double crochet in the third chain from the hook. So basically just count 1, 2, 3. And in that third chain, just go ahead and make a half double crochet. So just going to see if I can zoom in a bit. Sorry. There we go. So to make your half double crochet, you're going to wrap your yarn around and pop your hook through that chain right here. Take your yarn, put it through the chain. You've got 3 loops on your hook. And just take your yarn and pull through 3 loops. And you've got a half double crochet. And the first 2 chain right here counts as a half double crochet too. So what we're going to do is place a half double crochet in each and every stitch along. So just go ahead, wrap your yarn around your hook and pop it through that chain, pull your yarn through, take your yarn, pull through 3 loops. There we go. And again, just do that same principle and just pull it, oops. So just do that same principle, just pull your yarn through the 3 loops right here. And just go ahead and do that for every single stitch along. until you reach the end of this row. So once you've reached the end of the row, this is what your project will look like. So you will have a beautiful row of half double crochets. So to begin row 2, obviously yours will be larger than this. So to begin row 2, you are going to be chaining 2. So just go ahead and chain 2. 1, 2, turn your work, and you are going to be placing a half double crochet into every stitch across again. So basically so I've turned the work, and this chain 2 right here counts as our first half double crochet, which goes into this first stitch right here. So this counts as our first stitch. So the next one is going to be in the second stitch right here. So this is your first stitch, and your next half double crochet will be placed here. So just wrap your yarn around, go through that stitch, grab your yarn, pull it through. You've got 3 loops, and take your yarn, pull through 3 loops, and this is what it's going to look like. And just go ahead and go through each and every half double crochet from the previous row. Make sure that you go through, I'll just show you, both strands right here. So make sure you go through both these strands, otherwise you will be having a ribbed project, which is nice too, but it's not the pattern. So just go ahead, but obviously if you want to do that, do that. So just go ahead and place a half double crochet into every stitch, and I'll see you at the end of the row just to show you what to do. So I've reached the end of this row, and I've not yet finished because I just wanted to show you this detail. Once you reach the end of the row, there is going to be this chain 3 here from the previous row, which doesn't actually look like a proper stitch because it's obviously chain 2, sorry, the chain 2 from the previous row, but it is a stitch. So you need to go through that with a half double crochet. So you're just going to go into that chain 2 and place a half double crochet there too, and this is what it will look like. However, it does straighten out as you go along, and it's very important that you place that half double crochet there because you need the right amount of stitches. So if you are ever in doubt, just count the number of stitches that you have on your first row, and your second and third row need to have the same amount of stitches. So to begin row 3, you are going to be chaining 2, 1 and 2, turn your work, and again this counts as your first half double crochet. That goes with this stitch, so you're just going to go into that second stitch right here and place a half double crochet into it. So just go ahead, place a half double crochet. This is what it will look like, and just go ahead and place a half double crochet into each and every stitch across until the end of this row. And again, I'll show you what to do for the rest of this project. There we go, so we're at the end of the row. Again, just be mindful to pop a half double crochet into that chain 2 space from the previous row. So just go ahead and finish your row with a half double crochet in that, and there you go. And this is what our project will be, a repeat of half double crochets all along. So just chain 2, this counts as your first half double crochet, turn your work, and just pop a half double crochet into each and every stitch. You need to repeat this until row 131 or longer. So yes, so however long you want your scarf. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to tag me on Instagram if you make this project. I love it. And yes, I hope you enjoyed. Have a lovely week. Bye bye.